Must visit places before you die. Imagine standing on the edge of the world's most breathtaking locations. Ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Today, we are taking you on a journey to 10 unforgettable destinations. Grab your passport and let's explore these awe-inspiring wonders together. Santorini, Greece, is a sight to behold. Dive into the stunning blue waters and soak in the iconic sunsets. This picturesque island promises enchanting views, whitewashed buildings, and a serene atmosphere that will captivate your heart and soul. Machu Picchu, Peru, invites you to walk through ancient ruins and feel the magic of the Incan Empire. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains, this archaeological marvel offers a glimpse into a rich history and breathtaking panoramic vistas. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is an underwater paradise teeming with vibrant marine life. Snorkel or dive into its clear waters to experience the world's largest coral reef system, a mesmerizing wonder that will leave you spellbound and in awe. The Grand Canyon in the USA is a must-see geological wonder. Witness its awe-inspiring vastness as you stand on the edge and gaze into its layered red rock formations. This natural marvel offers a humbling and unforgettable experience for every traveler. In the Serengeti, Tanzania, the thrill of a safari adventure awaits. Witness the majestic Big Five in their natural habitat, roam vast savannas, and experience the raw beauty of Africa's wildlife. This journey promises unforgettable, heart-pounding moments. Tokyo, Japan, offers a captivating fusion of ancient traditions and futuristic innovation. Wander through historic temples, savor exquisite cuisine, and immerse yourself in the neon-lit energy of Shibuya. This city pulsates with a unique blend of history and modernity. Venice, Italy, enchants with its labyrinth of canals and timeless charm. Glide through narrow waterways on a gondola, explore centuries-old architecture, and revel in the romance of this floating city. Venice is a living masterpiece filled with wonder. The ancient city of Petra, Jordan, carved into rose-red cliffs, is an archaeological marvel. Walk through the narrow gorge of Al-Sik to the iconic treasury and uncover the mysteries of this Nabatean kingdom. Petra evokes a sense of timeless history and adventure. Embarking on an expedition to Antarctica is the ultimate journey to Earth's final frontier. Marvel at towering icebergs, observe penguins in their natural habitat, and experience the pristine, untouched wilderness. This icy wonderland offers a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. Petra, Jordan, is a mesmerizing blend of history and natural beauty. This ancient city, carved into rose-red cliffs, offers an unforgettable journey through time. Walking through the Sikh and witnessing the treasury's grandeur is an awe-inspiring experience. A highlight reel of these breathtaking destinations captures their essence perfectly. From Santorini's sunsets to Antarctica's icy expanse, each location offers unique beauty and adventure. Accompanied by captivating music, these moments ignite wanderlust and inspire exploration. Sharing a personal story makes the journey relatable. Imagine standing in the heart of Machu Picchu, feeling the ancient energy and marveling at the architectural genius. Personal anecdotes create a deeper connection with viewers, making the experience more tangible. Offering insider tips can significantly enhance the travel experience. For instance, visiting the Great Barrier Reef during the off-season ensures fewer crowds and a more intimate encounter with marine life. Simple, yet invaluable, these tips make trips more enjoyable and memorable. We'd love to hear from you. Share your dream destinations or travel experiences in the comments below. Your insights and stories not only inspire us but also help fellow travelers plan their adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. Stay updated with our latest videos, tips, and guides to fuel your wanderlust. Join our community of explorers and make your travel dreams a reality. See you in the next video. We can't wait to share more amazing destinations and travel stories with you. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and let the adventure never end. Safe travels and happy exploring!